Today we're in Amarilla Golf, which is next door to Golf del Sur. If you've ever come to Tenerife by aeroplane, you've almost certainly flown over Golf del Sur. You can see what we've got behind us just there, golf course, and we're looking at a one-bedroom apartment on a complex called Scorpio. And Scorpio's got a really nice community pool with a bar as well. So let's have a look around. So coming in through the main door here, this is what you get a view of straight away. Really nice kitchen that's been recently refurbished, and we've got a lovely L-shaped sofa here in the corner, and of course then that leads out onto a nice balcony. We've got these magnetised fly screens, absolutely excellent idea, and that view out there out to the golf course, that is a lovely view. And then this is nicely set up here. Now the apartment's been totally retiled and I say probably been totally refurbished, painting, new tiles. On the left hand side we've got a double bedroom. Nicely furnished bedroom. I like these as well. Now I imagine that's done on purpose, but it just gives it an old sort of look. Anyway, fitted wardrobes in this bedroom. And then opposite, again, newly renovated bathroom with shower, one of the big shower heads up there. Totally tiled throughout, and loo and hand basin. So that's our one-bedroom apartment in Amarilla Golf on the Scorpio complex. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.